What you gonna do if you were aghast? You feel very terrified, or you feel always afraid? Me, when I was aghast, I experienced to be aghast when I was high school. As I remember, I got cured in the sickness of being aghast after I drink paracetamol. One tablet in one day, I do it for 2 days, and then uh, I've been cured. So it happens to me too many times that I encounter to be aghast. Even here in this place, uh, I've been aghast. I was sick aghast. And the cure that, the